I was watching YouTube, as I normally do. And yeah. Uh-oh. DePopo. Oh no, DePopo. Oh, DePopo's going the other way. Woo! I don't know why I trip out. I wasn't doing anything. Well, look at that. I'm on the bike on a weekday, on a work day of all days. That never happens and hasn't happened in a long time. But unfortunately, that is not on purpose, and I didn't mean for this to happen. I gotta go get parts for the Jeep. The Jeep is angry this morning. It's super hot, and yeah, my Jeep was leaking coolant everywhere, so I gotta go get parts and get that fixed up so I can, you know, get through the rest of my work week. So yeah, unintentional, not on purpose riding, but it's because I gotta go get parts. Yeah, this week is supposed to be super hot, like above 100 degrees all week. So yeah, I need to get this leak fixed. It's leaking coolant. What's happening is my heater control valve in the Jeep is cracked and it's leaking coolant everywhere. So I need to fix that so I can drive around in this heat. Jeeps are already known for running super hot, so it's not going to be happy anyways. But I gotta help it stay cool. I have to. Which is a chore with some of those older Cherokees. But hey, at least I got to ride today. It's not where I want to go, but hey. So fortunately, a lot of the people that I work for, they're pretty understanding. They know that there's some free tools on the ground. They are aware of what's going on, and they're pretty understanding about it. So that's cool. That's one of the upsides of working for yourself and just being able to, I don't know, contact clients and just be like, hey, my Jeep's having issues. I need to fix this so I can come by later this week. Yeah. But that does mean that I am on the road on a weekday, which I have discovered weekdays suck for riding around because people are just, their mind is not on driving, their mind is not on what they're doing, they're distracted for whatever reason, and people just suck at driving during the weekday, and I don't like being out on the road, especially in areas like this where it's just high congestion. It's not enjoyable. I don't like looking over my shoulder every 30 milliseconds. It's annoying. Learn how to drive, people. But before I left for work this morning, I was having my cup of coffee, watching YouTube as I normally do, and Blockhead came up. He was riding the new, I think they probably just released it today, I would assume, the Deadwood. I think that's what it is. It's their Softail that's all blacked out. It looks sick. I like it. If I was into that style of bike, I'd get one. Blockhead is one of those channels that I've been watching since probably before I started riding. His how to ride a motorcycle video is what I basically learned how to ride on before I started taking classes and things like that. You know, like a lot of people, those were some of the videos that came up when I was researching how to do stuff. I think everybody, well, for the most part, a lot of people are like that, where they don't know how to do something and they need to get something done. They'll YouTube it. It's that YouTube Academy, right? If you don't know how to do something, chances are there's going to be a video on YouTube that kind of shows you how to do it. Whether it's right or wrong, that's a different story, but there's always going to be a video. That's one of the things I really like about YouTube. And to be honest, Blockhead is one of the reasons why I decided to start doing YouTube or start putting out videos on YouTube, just because his old videos are the ones that I really enjoy. What is this parking lot? That's weird. Yeah, his moto vlog videos are what I really enjoyed, and it seems to kind of be dying off for whatever reason. And yeah, I just wanted to bring that back. That's what I enjoyed about YouTube, is the realism and the honesty about it. Before a lot of these people got pretty big, and they all went different directions, and I understand that they got to grow with their channel and do something different. You can't just keep doing the same thing over and over again. But I miss the moto vlogs, so that's why I decided to kind of start doing my own. But I'm gonna run in and go get that part that I need. I called ahead, and this is the store that's a little bit out of the way. They said they had it though, so let's go get the part so we can fix that old Jeep. Okay, I'll be back.
One eternity later.
Parts are not getting any cheaper, that's for sure. Almost $40 for a piece of plastic, but whatever, at least they had it in stock. Gotta get it done. It's so hot today. It's so hot I can't breathe in this helmet. Oh yeah. It's a bit wide, but okay. Now I just gotta wait for it to cool down. The Jeep's pretty hot right now, so give it a couple hours before I can install that piece, let the pressure kind of die down in the cooling system. So I got some time to kill. I don't know if I want to be out in this heat riding around. Maybe I'll stop by my buddy's detail shop and have him wipe down my bike. They're probably not working either, but whatever. How hot is it right now? It's 100 degrees. So it's just gonna get warmer. It's only 2 o'clock. My shoes. My shoes? My shoes. Okay. Speaking of the channel, I think I'm gonna start, well, I don't think. I'm gonna start being a little bit more, go away. I'm gonna start being a little more consistent with the channel. I've kind of been slacking lately this year, especially this year. Last year I was pretty good at putting out a video every Saturday, like weekly. Not so much this year. I have been slacking. It's been almost every other week. Sometimes I miss a week, and it's just, I don't know, work, life. This is not what I do as a job. This is just what I do for fun. And certain times of the year are busier than others. For me, I'm a very seasonal type of work that I do. I work year round, but the seasons dictate what I actually have to do, because weather plays a big part of my job. So I don't know. Sometimes I just don't have the time to make a video, edit a video. So, sorry, my bad, but I'm gonna do a little bit better. I'm gonna try and do a little bit better. Try and get back to the weekly uploads thing. I know this is probably gonna be a short video. I'll probably release it some midweek. Maybe I'll get it done and get it out by tomorrow. It's an old Willie's Jeep. This is a little impromptu ride in the middle of the week. This is something very strange for me. I haven't been able to do this in a long time. So anyways, you guys could leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out a ton. And I'll see you guys later. What happened? Did I must have turned it up. Oops. It's about time to get that thing washed. I had a bunch of mud caked all over the radiator. Had to rinse it out. On a hot day like today, it's kind of necessary to have all the airflow in this area.